Hey, this is Mike here. Welcome to 76 Sandy Creek Way in Novato. Let's go take a look. All right, here we have the formal double door entry into the formal front living room with gas insert fireplace. As you can see, very tall ceilings because we have here the formal staircase up to the upstairs landing. So let's go and take a look at the first floor. Here we have the hallway, powder room for guests. Wander to the back of the house. Here you have your large family room with another gas insert and electric remote controlled Hunter Douglas blinds. Built-in entertainment center. Here we have the large chef-style kitchen with the large island. We're going to go through the kitchen over to the built-ins and the pantry. We'll swing back around through to the formal dining room. You have the formal dining room. This is in fact a real candelabra. We're going to go back through the kitchen to take a quick look at the backyard. As you can see, the backyard opens up to a little seasonal creek, and this is part of the western edge of the Mount Burdell ridgeline. Here we have a nice concrete patio, some citrus trees, lots of flowers. Here we have a pellet grill. Now let's go back inside. We'll take a look at the bonus room here on the first floor. Bonus room, perfect for a home office or a little auxiliary den with a large capacity, temperature controlled, cedar shelved wine room, wine cellar, if you will. As you can see right up here, you've got the wine mate climate control. We'll go back around. We'll pass by the laundry room. Large galley style laundry room with a utility sink. Goes into a large 3-car garage. Come back towards the front of the house to this awesome staircase. Really cool banister. So straight ahead, we have the master suite. As you can see, it's quite large. And there's a bonus room over here to your left with another gas fireplace insert and a small private deck overlooking the creek and the hillside. Come through the master bedroom, the bathroom. Oops, should have the lights on, sorry about that. Closet. Closet, his and hers. You can tell which is his and which is hers. Separate vanities on opposite sides of the room, large shower stall, large jetted soaking tub, and water closet. Walk back through the master bedroom. From here you can really see the scope of the front of the house and the living room, the size of everything. So up here we have 4 full bedrooms. This one has built-ins, could be used as an office. Here's the Jack and Jill dual sink vanity with water closet, toilet and shower, tub shower. Here's the other bedroom that adjoins. This is a Murphy bed here. And then we go back out to the main landing hallway. And here is your junior suite. All the houses in this neighborhood, or at least the ones I've been in, all have this setup. The built-ins over here and an ensuite bathroom. Basically, we're in a room that's about the size of the 3-car garage underneath. So that's it. That concludes our tour of 76 Sandy Creek Way. I'm glad you could join.